While China's expanded drills surrounding Taiwan have marked an unprecedented military and political warning against outside interference over the island, they opened a window to gather intelligence for the United States and its allies. The 4 days of intense drills last week, and extended maneuvers this week, provide an opportunity to scrutinize the missiles China would use to drive off foreign militaries intervening in any future invasion, as well as its command, control and communications systems, regional diplomats and security analysts say. While acknowledging ongoing data gathering, 2 U.S. military officials have cautioned that the drills are unlikely to offer the type of in-depth intelligence opportunity provided by other maneuvers beyond the headlines. The United States has kept at least 4 warships east of Taiwan, centered on the USS Reagan aircraft carrier, during the exercises. And while those ships wield a powerful strike threat, they also operate a vast surveillance capability above, across and under vast swathes of ocean.